Hello everybody, myself Gurmeet Singh, Assistant Professor, ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga. So today I will discuss one more practical in pharmaceutical microbiology, that is to perform the microbial assay of antibiotic. So first we will discuss what is microbiological assay. So everybody knows about microbiological assay could be the sort of bioassay designed to analyze the compounds or substance that have impact on microorganisms, and also they can help to estimate concentration and efficiency of the antibiotics. So in this practical, we need some requirements like microbiology, microbial inoculum, culture media, petri dish, micropipette, borer, forceps, incubator, and antibiotics. So next we go for the procedure part. So first of all, we need all the ingredients and weigh all the ingredients for the preparation of nutrient media. So we need nutrient agar media, uh, ready mix powder, conical flask having distilled water, conical flask, petri plates, inoculating loop, butter paper and spatula, and also IPA solution for hand sanitization. And after weighing these nutrient agar media, mix with distilled water and make a clear solution. First, you can easily check the clarity of the solution. So after mixing, you can check the adjust the pH at 7.4 plus minus 2. And after that, close the conical flask and transfer this conical flask, petri plates, inoculating loop, borer, everything at 1 degree Celsius. After sterilization, after 20 minutes, the sterilization is complete and remove all the material and transfer all these material into the aseptic area or biosafety cabinet or LAF, that is laminar airflow cabinet. Why we need this biosafety cabinet? Because we perform this practical in aseptic area. So aseptic area is the area that is free from microorganism. So after transfer material into the biosafety cabinet, clean the clean the working area properly and uh, clean our hand with the help of IPA solution so that aseptic condition is maintained properly. So after that, we take the sterilized petri plate and transfer the sterilized media into the petri plate. So after transferring, we need 15 to 20 ml media is transferred. So after transferring the media into petri plate, wait for few minutes. So after few minutes, the media is solidified. I will show in the next slide. So after few minutes, this media is solidified as shown in this video. You can easily identify this media is solidified. So after solidification, we close close all the petri plate with the help of this petri plate cover. So after closing all the petri plates, we have a prepared microbial inoculum. So this prepared microbial inoculum having a bacterial sample. So this bacterial sample is uh, this bacterial sample is inhibited by the antibiotic solution. Those those which will be checked. So after we take a micropipette, and this is micro tip. So the micropipette take 100 microliter of sample from the given microbial sample and transfer this 100 microliter sample into the petri plate surface. Okay, so after transferring this microbial sample into the petri plate surface, spread on the surface by rotating the petri plate. So after that, we take a sterilized borer. So borer, with the help of this borer, we make a hole or cups or cavities, okay, in the petri plate surface, that is in the nutrient media which we are add in the petri plate. So we make four cavities with the help of this borer. This will be observed in the video. So after putting this borer on this solid surface, the borer take the center part of the nutrient agar media into it and can remove with the help of this pin. And again we make a hole from second side and repeat the process for 4 times for every petri plate. So we make a 4 hole in each petri plate. So in this we add different concentration of microbial sample, different concentration of antibiotic sample or standard sample. So we can easily compare the result with microbial sample, standard sample with antibiotic sample. So we adjust the micropipette at 20 microliter and take a sample, antibiotic sample from the given test tube and transfer this antibiotic sample into the cavity and repeat the process for every antibiotic sample having different concentration or a different antibiotic. So afterwards we transfer this all petri plates into the incubator at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. So after 24 hours, we check all the petri plates and we get a result of the given samples. So these are the results of the petri plates. In this image, you can easily identify that S1, S2, U2, U1, four samples are there, and in these U2 having very less diameter and as compared to S2, and S2 having less diameter as compared to S1, and S1 having less diameter against U1. So U1 sample having a very wide diameter. So we can concluded that U1 is more effective against a particular type of microbial sample we are using. So every type of antibiotic every type of antibiotic check against a specific type of microorganisms. So we take a microorganism and we check the efficiency of the antibiotic against particular type of species. So this is the whole procedure for today's practical.
Okay, thanks for watching this video.